ዛሬ ደግሞ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች አብረን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ተከታተሉ በደንብ አድርጋችሁ እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ። በጣም ጠቃሚና ጠቃሚ ናቸው። በተለይ ለሚኒስትሪ ተማሪዎች፣ ሚኒስትሪ ተፈታኝ ተማሪዎች በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ተከታተሉ። የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው የሚለው ኢንስትራክሽኑ? Have you seen this one? Hello, wake up all of you. This is smart grammar of English at Honey. Now choose the correct answer which is the same as the original sentence. አሁን ከተሰጠን ሴንቴንስ ጋር አብሮ ተመሳሳይ የሚሄድ አብሮ ተመሳሳይ የሆነ አረፍተ ነገር እንመርጣለን ማለት ነው። choose the correct answer which is the same as the original sentence. አንደኛ ምንድነው የሚለና አንደኛው if I were you I would study hard. This is the same as በጣም ቀላል ነው። በተማራችሁት መሰረት እንመልሳለን ማለት ነው። በተማራችሁት መሰረት እሺ ምን አላችሁት? if I were you I would study hard. The answer should be A ምንድነው የሚለው? I will study hard if I am you. I'm not you so I can't study hard. C ደግሞ I have a plan to study hard. D I will not study hard if I am you. So the answer should be B ይሆናል ማለት ነው። መልሳችን B. I'm not you so I can't study hard. Next one. ሁለተኛውን ጥያቄ እዩት። ሁለተኛው ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለና if I had a lot of money I would have visited the Amazon forest. የእናንተ መልስ ምንድነው? ይሄ ፐርፌክት ኮንዲሽናል አለ እዚህ ጋር፣ እንደገና ደግሞ ፓስት ፐርፌክት አለ። ታይፕ 3 ነው። ኢምፖሲብል ኮንዲሽናል ሴንቴንስ ነው። ስለዚህ መልሱ የዚህ ሚኒንግ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ሚኒንግ እሺ፣ መልሳችን ጊዜ አንፈጅም is the correct answer. I didn't have a lot of money so I couldn't visit the Amazon forest. Number 3, he was drinking the milk. He was drinking the milk. What your answer? This sentence is the same as ብንላው ለምሳሌ he was drinking the milk. This sentence same as ምንድነው የሚሆነው? The milk is bought by him. The milk was being bought by him. The milk was buying the boy. The milk was being drank by him. The answer should be D. And the next one is አራተኛውን ጥያቄ እዩት። አራተኛውን ጥያቄ ስናየው question number 4. They should not have come to the party. They should not have come to the party. What your answer? ይህ ሴንቴንስ ይህ አረፍተ ነገር ፐርፌክት ኮንዲሽናል ይባላል። ይህ ፐርፌክት ኮንዲሽናል ከሆነ ደግሞ የዚህ የአራተኛው ሚኒንጉ ምን ማለት ነው? I am really sorry they don't come to the party ነው ወይስ they are not coming to the party ነው ወይስ they don't come to the party ነው? ዲ ደግሞ I'm sorry they came to the party ነው። ማንም ይሆን መልሱ? መልሳችን መሆን ያለበት ይህ ፐርፌክት ኮንዲሽናል እስከሆነ ድረስ መልሳችን ዲ ይሁን። መጥተዋል እነሱ። I'm sorry they came to the party. መምጣት አልነበረባቸውም ነበር ግን መጥተዋል። ስለዚህ መልሳችን ዲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The next one is question number 5. The tea is too hot to drink for me. The tea is too hot to drink for me. This is the same as ከየትኛው ጋር የሚሄደው? The tea is very nice to drink. Okay. The tea is very delicious to drink. Okay. C, I can drink the tea because it is very hot. D, I drink the tea happily. What your answer? The answer should be C. Answer C ነው የሚሆነው። I can't drink the tea because it is very hot. Okay, the next one is question number 6. Question number 6. What your answer? She rarely comes to school. She rarely comes to school. This sentence is the same as she always goes to school. She sometimes comes to school. She hardly comes to school. D, she is seldom coming to school. E, C and D. Will your answer? Yes, sir, should be E. Well, the next one is question number 7. He is the man. He is the man. I sent the money to him. እነዚህም ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች እንዴት አድርገን ነው የምናያይዛቸው? ወይም ደግሞ በቃ አሪፍ አድርጋችሁ ሁለቱን ሴንቴንስ ጆይን አድርጋችሁ በአንድ ላይ ሞክሩ። He is the man to whom I sent the money. Okay, B, he is the man whom I sent the money to. He is the man I sent the money. D, all. የእናንተ መልስ ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? መልሳችሁ ምንድን ነው? Okay, the answer should be he is the man to whom I sent the money. A ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The next one is ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ his sister who wears a blue skirt is a university student. አሁን his sister who wears a blue skirt is a university student. What your answer sentence? ልጁ ስንት እህት አለው? በነገራችን ላይ አሁን ይህ ሴንቴንሱ WH words ወይም ሪሌቲቭ ፕሮናውን ተጠቅመን ሰራ ነው። ልጁ ስንት እህት አለው? ኤ ምን ይላል? he has two or more sisters. B ደግሞ he has only one sister. C, he has only one sister and she is a university student. D, all are correct. What your answer? ስንት እህት አለው እሱ? He has two or more sisters. So the answer should be A. A ይሆናል ማለት ነው መልሳችን። ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ እህት አለው ግን አንዷ ምንድናት ማለት ነው? His sister who wears a blue skirt የለበሰችው ብሉ ስከርት የለበሰችው ግን የዩኒቨርሲቲ ተማሪ ናት እያለ ነው። The next one is question number 9. The student who scored a good grade will be awarded. The student who scored a good grade will be awarded. This sentence mean that A, ምን ይላል? All students will be awarded. B, only one student will be awarded. C, only those who score a good grade will be awarded. D, unknown. መልሳችሁ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? C ካላችሁ ትክክል። C is the correct answer. The next one number 10. Abeba's sister, ለባርጉ Abeba's sister who made a speech yesterday lives in Bahar Dar. Abeba's sister who made a speech yesterday lives in Bahar Dar. A, Abeba has only one sister. B, Abeba has more than one sister. C, Abeba has 3 sisters. D, Abeba lives in Bahar Dar. አሁን አበበ ስንት እህት አለው? በዚህ አረፍተ ነገር አይታችሁት እንደሆነ ከዚህ ጋር አበበ ሲስተር ብሎ ኮማ አለ። who made a speech yesterday ኮማ lives in Bahar Dar. what your answer? ስንት እህት አለው ሰውየው? አበበ has only one sister. the answer should be ማን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? አንድ እህት ብቻ ነው ያለው። ኮማ ባይኖረው ግን ልብ አድርጉ፣ ኮማ ከሌለው ሰውየው አበበ ስንት እህት አለው ማለት ነው? ብዙ ናቸው። አበበ has more than one sister or more than 2 sisters ሊኖረው ይችላል ማለት ነው። Okay, next one is question number 11. English was spoken by her. English was spoken by her. This is the same as ነገር ከየትኛው ጋር ይመሳሰላል? English was spoken by her. This is the same as A, people speak English. B, people were speaking English. C, she was speaking English. D, she spoke English. The answer should be ቶሎ ፈጠን በሉ። D ካላችሁ ናችሁ። D is the correct answer. Next one is the next and the last 12ኛው ጥያቄ he said a reported speech ነው comma under quotation the earth is a planet. The earth is a planet. How we can just report this one to somebody else? ለአንድ ሰው ይህንን እሱ ያለውን ለሌላ ሰው ብናስተላልፍ እሺ ብንናገር እንዴት አድርገን ነው የምናስተላልፈው? he said the earth is a planet ነው የምንል? B he said that the earth was a planet ነው የምንል? C the earth is a planet he said? D he said that the earth is a planet? What your answer? The answer should be general truth ነው። ምን ጊዜም መሬት ምንድናት? is one of a planet። ስለዚህ መልሱ ማን የሚሆነው? D is the correct answer። ይህን ይመስላል ዛሬ ያየናቸው እነዚህን ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ አድርጋችሁ ቪዲዮውን ፖዝ እያደረጋችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, thank you for watching this video.